I found a guitar at a junk shop in Viet Nam for 800k, about 30 bucks. It got built-in effect in it and a lot of sweat. Over here you can find a lot of guitar that look like this one. This is an older model. The old one have jerk rod and better hardware on it. Right now, I don't think I'm gonna restoration this one. I'm just gonna make sure it's working and replace the battery part. Just wanna make sure the thing is working. If in the future what's interesting, I might do a fully restoration of it. Battery part is so bad, I have to get a new one for this. It got a very weird neck plate, a plastic one, using as a cover. The pickup even weirder. You got the three giant ceramic magnet with steel piece on it. I guess this one work like a humbucker. I get the previous owner have some super glue to pick up. It's more like a plexiglass that they painted over. The switch is kinda uneven, so I have to use a piece of tape to tape it. I cannot get the knob out. I used the electronic cleaner, make sure the electronic would clean and working fine.
I don't want really find relaxing soundtrack. Great art, great soundtrack, well done by a method of game for a acting out for a while. The character I can only issue is P-Pig's numerous pigs and fidget spinners. Well then, the he's playing for his fight has
The bridge on this one is a steel piece with no curve.
learning something different than usual. Bust out that crazy. He's taking away his phone and keys. Fast, he was cheating on her for 2 years. Do that, and then he after on third was it. All right. Thousands, one of which she was the reason he got into IRL streaming in the first place and got engaged in even. He's still mad about the fact her music career didn't work out. Taking part in an article, I think it's safe to say the world of IRL streamers needs to be put to a stop some way.
Number. Now trying to cancel the message doesn't work. It just keeps running in.
Had their life taken over Flappy Bird, and that the year of the bird came and went. All these Flappy Bird videos would close sit here to that short-lived fad that everyone will bring to them. You'd be hard-pressed to see anyone talk about it anymore, except for try-hard YouTubers making videos on it and giving you a dopamine hit of nostalgia. You're welcome. The dev would go on to make more games, even making an exclusive Flappy Bird game on the Amazon Fire Stick, but it didn't get near the same amount of traction. Flappy Bird was a fad in every sense of the word. But honestly, I'll take Flappy Bird over whatever the hell is on the app stores these days. Western civilization is done for. Sometimes YouTubers will put out something incredibly high quality like games.
Pretty good at shots.
Usually on old Nintendo games, nothing more. One of the easiest things in the world. It costs you to see a very adult film for all the top killer robots, deceased children ghosts, and serial breaks. Game stuff.
He fit right in with the big indie horror boom of the mid-20 games, so it became game collection.
And people hated it. Yeah, people didn't really like this game. A lot called disappointing, boring, and a whole bunch of things. A lot of the games. Spider-Man was the top-down horror content to which on 2013. And nobody anticipated. Another horror game came out in 2014 that's all of a sudden, and was the new Comic Block. Everyone should know that. That was already new. That was all fans. Something new always comes out in place. But the second. Well, while it look and feel like an old school computer RPG, it's a collect 2D sprite 3D art style this game is going for. And then when you're you usually get. Since Flash Race becomes these I made, no gold war breaks the stance. No, there's a pizzeria if you can I go, but it's very thin. I tried spamming it as much as possible. I tried to go to these
Sadly, I didn't got all the effect working. I only got it one effect, but it's still pretty cool. If I ever try to restoration this one again, probably put a rear neck on it instead of the original one.